Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm David from the HudaReview team. I'm a 5-year full-time online marketer. Like everyone, before becoming a full-time marketer, I graduated with a master's degree from a top university in finance and worked for a Big Four bank for almost 10 years. During that time, I also worked very hard and got great results at work. And my income has also improved over time. I always get stuck in messes though: how to have a business for myself, how to increase income without having to pay more time and effort, how to build a sustainable passive income and increase it over time, whether it's the days when I'm not working or while I'm sleeping. How can I take control of my own life? How to both work and enjoy life, have time for family, and the travel, relax. You are thinking the same thing as me, right? And I realized that, if I continued to strive in the banking sector, my life would only become more and more stagnant. Because I will never be able to solve all those problems. I want to find a solution for myself. I have been frantically researching and learning a lot of fields and different jobs. I have invested thousands of dollars in courses and have not achieved the desired results. And then, I learned and practiced internet marketing. I realized this was the path I was really looking for. As you know, before becoming an online marketer, I was a financial expert. I'm not really tech savvy, and you can call me a low-tech guy. I started things very hard. I learned everything from scratch. And then, I achieved the first results to the goals set. I quit banking and focused 100% on online work. I became a full-time online marketer. Now, I have achieved my goals. I have my own online business. I have built a steady source of income, which has grown over time. Just need a laptop and internet. I can operate my work anytime, anywhere. I can also travel and work at the same time. I love traveling to South America, exploring Rome, or backpacking in Africa. Or watch the beautiful beaches in Southeast Asia, such as Bali, Pattaya, and Da Nang City. And the important thing is, I can still make money, even a lot of money while traveling like that. I have a lot of time for my family, my children, and my friends. I created this channel to share my knowledge and experience in the field of online marketing. I will also review the best and most interesting software, training courses, and other digital products that I know to help you get more information about those products. I will also issue scam warnings about products that are not as described and just want to take your money. In addition, I also provide a lot of high-quality bonuses for those who view and follow, and purchase through my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will update new videos every day. And I also update detailed reviews of new product releases daily on my website, HudaReview.com. Check out more interesting things in the description of this video. Thank you so much for following and supporting me and my team. I hope you will soon achieve your goals and also build an online business of your own, as well as getting a good source of income from online marketing. See you in my next videos.